Ratings agency Fitch has revised Pakistan's outlook from stable to negative, citing several reasons for the downgrade, including adjustment risks, financing, political risks and declining reserves. In a report issued on Monday, the New York-based agency, one of the three major global rating agencies, also affirmed Pakistan's long-term foreign currency issue a default rating at B-. Fitch noted a significant deterioration in Pakistan's external liquidity position and financing conditions since the start of the year. While the ratings agency assumed the International Monetary Fund's executive board would approve the staff-level agreement with Pakistan reached earlier this month, it saw considerable risks to implementation. According to Fitch's report, another factor behind the downgrade was the pressure on foreign exchange reserves, which it noted, had declined to about $10 billion or just over 1 month of current external payments by June this year, down from about $16 billion at this time last year. Fitch said that Pakistan's B- rating reflected recurring external vulnerability, a narrow fiscal revenue base and low governance indicator scores compared with the B median. Fitch predicted that average inflation would remain at 19% in the current fiscal year and 8% in FY24, citing energy price hikes which it said would fuel broad-based inflation. Fitch predicted that average inflation would remain at 19% in the current fiscal year and 8% in financial year 2024, citing energy price hikes which it said would fuel broad-based inflation.